Carol in Carol's art room. I'm here to do a pour on a record, and what I think I'm going to try today is a bottom bottle pour with a funnel. I don't know, I don't think I've tried this before. I've poured from a cup, but usually when it comes out from a funnel, you get different effects. So this holds about, I think 5 or 6 ounces, 6 ounces of paint. So that should be plenty for this. I'm gonna see if I can get my white paint. This has been coated just with a layer of black paint, just to cover up the label. Stir up my white paint. Not sure if I'll need it, but oh, big lump just went in there. All right. So I have this white Artist Loft and Liquitex pouring me, or no, Artist Loft white and Liquitex Basics white mixed together. It's just what I use in my pours. I'm just going to hold my finger over this. Hope you can see. And I won't talk. I'll just fill this with all my paint colors, and then I'll put the colors in the description, and then I'm just going to let it pour, and we'll see what happens. All right, let's go for it. I'm going to stand up for this. Got my gloves again. I'm going to start by moving my finger off slowly. I'll stop it just to let it go. just letting it out slowly. I could take my whole finger off, but I don't think that's a wise idea. Oh, I did a bit there. Wow. I think this is going to make a lot of cells. Oh, wow. I really like it. It is so pretty. I'm gonna get my little torch and see what happens. There might have been some silicone in maybe one paint or two, but not hardly any. So this is mostly the floetrol making the cells. I like the white streaks. This is cool. So cool, so cool. I love it. I'll hold it up so you can get a close-up. Isn't that awesome? That'll probably take a few days to dry because it's a record solid base and it's kind of thick on there, so Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. Please subscribe if you're new here. Come back soon to Carol's Art Room. Hit the like button and comment below. I'd like to hear what you have to say. And if you hit the bell beside the subscribe button, you'll get notifications when I do more. Okay? Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hello, everyone. Just came to look at my dried record pour. This is the bottom bottle pour. Anyway, this turned out pretty good. It dried pretty good too. Some close-ups. The only thing that I noticed when you do a record, you have to be careful when you torch, or if you torch, that it doesn't warp. I've got one spot right there that must have melted a tiny bit. It's not that noticeable, but just a warning anyway. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.